I think the reason I'm hooked on visiting these abandoned BC fire lookout towers is it is a guaranteed adventure to get to one of these things. I mean, they're usually quite remote and require some detailed logistical planning, and they're guaranteed to be on top of a mountain with 360 views. Today I'm outside Cranbrook, BC, and I've never been up Mount Baker, and I understand there's one such fire tower up here amongst a bunch of other communication equipment. But back in the day, it was most definitely the only structure up here. There's a service road up this mountain. There's also a hiking trail, which I was just about to embark on when someone said, bad idea, you should go up the power line because there's less trees there. And even though there's hardly any snow, there is a chance of maybe a ski under the power line. So I took that advice. This is going to be a lot of work. It's 1,000 meters up and it should take most of the day. About 3 hours into this adventure, you really got to hustle to get back before dark in the winter because there's only a few hours of sunlight. Woo! It's getting good. I always forget back in the day of active forest fighting, there was actually two structures up here, the fire lookout and the outhouse. Well, one thing's for sure, no one's taking very good care of this, which is a shame. I actually heard once that it's been deemed an unsafe structure and they were going to tear it down, but there was lots of pushback from the local community. So I hope some steps have been taken to adopt this tower, as has been done with some other similar structures.
Well, this is surely not a good idea.
Luckily, I'll have the cushioning of snow if everything collapses. Woo! There is a beauty to it in the winter, though. Oh, I'm sad it's in such rough shape, but the frosting is sure cool. Well, no windows, no nothing. This needs some major love to restore it to its former glory. I guess I won't sleep here tonight. regarding that part of the story where I have a lot of fun snowboarding down the mountain, that didn't end up happening. I was too busy walking off the mountain, which is pretty depressing, but incredibly safe compared to barreling down this chute dodging rocks.